Hey guys, if you make a lot of vertical video, I've got a pack which has graphic overlays for TikTok and Instagram, and I've recently updated it so it's now got YouTube Shorts. It is super easy to use. You can just drag it onto your timeline. It shows you all the icons for the TikTok, Instagram and the YouTube Shorts where they're supposed to be. This allows you to line up your titles perfectly, and it just makes everything a lot easier. Let's have a look at the pack. All right then, so we go to Effects, Safe Area Overlays, and we can see here we've got one for Instagram, one for TikTok, and one for YouTube. And to use it, just drag it over your video clip, so make sure it's on the layer above. And we can see here, now we've got our description, follow, and all our icons, and all the little bits at the top in the header. And the beauty of this is you can customize the colors. We're going to color, choose any color you want, so it suits your background. So if you're on a light background, go for a darker color, and press OK. And then you can adjust your titles. So if you're adding any animations in, I can bring my titles in, and then I can see how much I need to adjust them. There's a little bit of overlap there. Adjust the scale ever so slightly. And there we go. It's within the safe zones. What you want to avoid is things like this. You can see it's mixed in. This is why I made the pack. So we know that's going to be too low if you're using things like lower thirds. Position your titles works out exactly the same way for subtitles. So you nail the position of your text every single time. If I go back to safe area, we see we've got one for TikTok as well. Works exactly the same way. See, we've got all the latest icons, and also we've now got YouTube Shorts in version 3. This allows you just easy way to align all your titles. And when you're done with the pack, you can either turn off the video layer or delete it. I've also put an on-off switch there so we can turn it off, turn it on. And you can also adjust your transparency, but generally I find leaving it on 100% works perfect. We'll have a quick look at how the pack looks like in Fusion. Double click the Safe Area Overlay, and now we can see that is all the nodes it took to make this pack, to have all the icons. Yeah, it took a while, but I think you all agree that the results are worth it. Well guys, let me know in the comments what you think. If you want to get the pack, it's available on DaVinci and there's also other title packs available too. I've created a Facebook group and a LinkedIn group, so if you've got any DaVinci Resolve questions, feel free to ask them on the groups, and there's also other members that will help you out as well. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, smash that subscribe, and if you didn't like it, well, hit that dislike twice, and thanks for watching.